So I guess since Philadelphia Eagles are in the Super Bowl, I've been seeing all the content creators do these Philly cheesesteak recipes. I've seen the Philly cheesesteak egg rolls, which I'm making today, but mine's are a little different, and you'll see why. Now, I want to ask you, have you ever had a Philly cheesesteak egg roll? But I'm sure you have. If not, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What I'm about to do here is real easy. It doesn't take too much to do it. When I eat a Philly cheesesteak, I like, of course, the bell pepper, onion, mushrooms. So I don't think Sonny gonna like the mushrooms, but I'm throwing that shit in there anyway. First, we're gonna cut our onion. You can just do a rough dice on it. It don't have to be all fancy and shit. You don't have to use a whole onion. You don't really want too many onions in there, especially when you have the bell pepper and the mushroom. Even though I fucking love onions, but you're gonna add a little butter. Now, let's add our bell pepper. Let's add our bell pepper, and let's add our mushroom. Now, you're gonna cook these on high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Just constantly moving those veggies around until they're sweat down like this. As soon as they're sweated down, take them off the fire. I'm gonna switch it. Now we're gonna cook our meat. You can find thinly sliced ribeye everywhere. So now you want your skillet to be hot. When you're cooking beef, period, steak, anything, you want your skillet to be super hot, and you want your beef to be room temperature. That's mandatory, especially when cooking a steak. So let's add our sliced ribeye. Then let's hit it with some salt and pepper. All right, now that our meat is done, we're gonna add in our veggies. We're gonna add them here just so it can cool off before we roll the egg rolls. All right, now the fun part. Let's roll these egg rolls. Our meat is cooled down. You never want to put anything hot on an egg roll wrap. It's just gonna soften it up. It's gonna break apart. So, all right. So I don't really like my egg rolls that big, but since this is a cheesesteak egg roll, fuck it. So we're gonna put a whole slice of provolone. You gotta have provolone. Meat right here. Roll it up. I roll my egg rolls just like burritos. And there we go. Make sure it's tucked because you don't want all this cheese just seeping out into your grease. I'm gonna roll about a dozen, no, not a dozen. I'm not gonna overdo it. Probably a half a dozen, and then we'll be ready to dredge. Now that we have our egg rolls rolled, I know you're thinking like, just throw the shit in the grease, but ever since I started doing my egg rolls like this, I've been doing it. Using Blue Magic all-purpose fry batter. Get yours today. Now, throw it in this wet batter. Give it a little squeeze. You know, certain things you dredge, you just can't press down like I usually do it. That's just for like chicken, fish, maybe veggies. But these, you just gotta squeeze a little bit. So after about 7 to 8 minutes in the fryer on 325, that's what you're gonna come out with. All right, now that they're done, let's plate them. Little diagonal cut. Yeah. Now y'all know I couldn't forget the cheese sauce. That's a major, it's not Cheese Whiz, it's some cheese sauce that I made, but super fire. You wanna be fancy? Add a little garnishment on it. First off, we got her favorite watermelon Kool-Aid because we cheating today. You know what I mean? Hopefully it's good because I just rushed. I just made this shit. Let's see, let's test it out.
Cheers.
Whatever. We didn't have enough sugar. This shit tastes like watermelon Gatorade.
It's, you know.
It's cool.
It's still good. But to these egg rolls.
Yeah, you guys need some more cheese
I was gonna
sauce.
say, yeah. Dip, baby, dip.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Mm. Oh my God.
Mm. Yep, double dip. Double dip.
That's our double dip too.
Mm.
Wow.
Oh my.
You gotta talk.
I'm fine. I've been told I need to chew my food better.
Not while we filming.
Shit, you want me to choke?
You're gonna have to take a break just so you can chew.
Blue Magic will kill you if you try to talk and eat. But just like a Philly cheesesteak, you can taste that provolone. The cheese sauce is fire. All my cheese sauces are fire. It's real creamy, real rich. The bell peppers, the onions, the mushrooms, the only way she'll eat them.
Oh, it got mushrooms in?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even know.
And the crunch from the Blue Magic. Now, of course, all egg roll wraps are layered with cornstarch for the crunch. But with Blue Magic, 5 times better. I don't know, I think you should try it, but you have to have Blue Magic, okay? And if you ever had one, like I asked in the beginning, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Get your Blue Magic order up now. My nigga, enjoy.